Welcome back to News Center. Now, the Ministry of Health is holding a press briefing at the moment. This is, of course, in line with the World Malaria Day 2023, where the theme is this year, the theme being time to deliver zero malaria, invest, innovate, and implement. So let's just cross over there and see what's happening.
To protect close to 8 million people. And we are also supporting the rollout of a digital platform to streamline processes, strengthen data quality, and increase accountability for net delivery to beneficiaries in partnership with Global Fund. On implementation, PMI stands proud to have funded the first ever malaria behavior survey, whose results you heard earlier today, and as well as the Kenya Malaria Elimination Plan, which will be among the documents launched this morning. Thank you to the Division of the National Malaria Control Program, the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, and the PMI-funded Breakthrough Action for conducting the study across the 8 lake endemic counties. The survey, as was said earlier, identified cultural, economic, gender, and psychosocial barriers that individuals, communities, and health workers face, preventing them from optimizing utilization of malaria diagnosis and treatment. In response to this, we also know that the World Health Organization, in collaboration with the program and Breakthrough Action, worked together to develop a communication strategy that will address some of these barriers and empower communities to treat malaria and bring the prevalence closer to zero. The Kenya Malaria Elimination Plan, which will be launched also today, again developed in collaboration with the program, WHO, PMI, and PMI-funded Measure Malaria, spells out the pathway to establish systems to support malaria elimination in targeted areas. The investments made by the US government and the technical contributions and leadership of the malaria program, the National Bureau of Statistics, and WHO led to the creation of these guiding documents. We can all use them to improve the health of Kenyans and deliver zero malaria cases. By committing to focus on investments, innovations, and implementation, we can eliminate malaria and create a future where no one has to die from a mosquito bite. Thank you very much. Asanteni.
Thank you very much, Dr. Mildred, for those remarks from USA. We have the hosts for World Malaria Day 2023. And since these are events leading up to the events in Malaria, we are the pleasure to invite the CEC, County Executive Committee Member for Health from Malaria County, Dr. Mbati.
Of course, that is Fight Against Malaria. That is just a media briefing that's being held here in Nairobi. The World Malaria